Hey guys, what's happening? I'm back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's about 50 degrees, going to be 50 degrees here in Indiana today, so I've got a couple weeks off of work and I am going to try to detail a few cars this week, maybe next week. So today we've got a F-150 and we're going to be doing a full detail. You guys don't really care about all the cleaning and stuff. What I'm going to focus on right now for you guys is we've got some dog scratches along the doors here, and some of them are kind of deep. This is a repaint, so this truck was repainted. It was wrecked and repainted, so I definitely need to make sure that I'm a little bit careful. So I'm going to show you how to get scratches out of your doors and keep you from having to repaint your car. Okay, for this today we are going to be using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. It's a real nice, inexpensive compound. If you don't do this professionally, this is probably a pretty good start for you. It's not overly aggressive, but it does get the job done, and it's consumer grade. I think this was probably $7-8, something like that, but it does do a nice job. And on this job, I'm not real sure how thick they went with the paint when they painted it, so I'm gonna be real careful with this. So I'm going to load up my buffer and we're going to see how well this works. Okay, we've got our buffer. Okay guys, Drill Master, y'all know what this is. This Harbor Freight pad, AutoZone, Walmart, whatever. Does not take a whole lot, and so I'm going to put a little bit on there. And I'm going to kind of dab it around the panel a little bit. You'll notice I got some tape on here to protect the trim, and some of this trim we don't want to be getting into that. So I'm not going to do this whole panel. I'm just going to do where the scratches are. So I'm going to turn it down to start until we get going, then we'll bump it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to throw a little bit more on there. Stuff really likes it if you keep it kind of wet. You want to be able to build up some heat, but I'm going to bump up the speed a little bit on it this time. I'm gonna go grab a microfiber and we'll check it out. Well, as fate will have it, I have no audio for this part, so here I am. I'm just gonna let you know this stuff works great. Okay, take my word for it. It took the majority of the scratches out. Probably 90% of the scratches are gone, and the truck looks great, and the people were very, very happy with it, and it's very forgiving. It's a consumer grade product. It's not very expensive. Like I said, you can go to Harbor Freight, grab you a nice buffer. You can use that for all kinds of stuff. Get different pads for it. I use the yellow pad on this. Now, if you're wanting to put some wax or something on, you use different pads. But this pad worked really well with this product, and this product for the money did an outstanding job. So, would I recommend Meguiar's Ultimate Compound? Hell yeah, I'd recommend it. I use it. That's why. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. You guys, I appreciate it very, very much. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Everything helps out, and eventually I'll be getting some more videos out and hopefully some better content that I'm not having to fix. So, anyways, peace. Yeah, you can go ahead and go now. The video's over. There's nothing more to see. Seriously. Yeah, I'm serious. I don't have anything else to say, man. Have a good one, I guess. Have a nice weekend. I don't know. Bye.